Hi everyone. For today we are going to look at the skill of solving simultaneous equation using elimination method. So I have two examples here and I'm just going to help you to recap that process of solving simultaneous equation. Now specifically talking about the elimination method. You must have learned that in grade 8 or secondary 2. All right, so let's look at this example and let's see how we're going to solve. All right, so look at example 1. So we have two equations, 4x plus 3y equals to 1 and 2x minus 3y equals to 14. So essentially what's going on is that you probably will have two linear graphs. I'm not too sure which is which, but probably something like that. And the intersection between these two line will be the solution of xy, which is what you're trying to find by performing simultaneous equation and solving it. All right, so let's go ahead and try. So if you look at example 1, notice that 3y and 3y, both are similar. All right, so we can actually proceed on to eliminate the positive 3y and the negative 3y. And how we are going to do is we are not going to subtract, but instead we are going to add both these equations together. And when I do so, notice that the 3y will get eliminated. All right, so let's start. 4x plus 2x, that gives you 6x. Positive 3y plus a negative 3y, that will get itself eliminated. All right, and essentially what you're left with is 1 plus 14, which is 15. So therefore x will be 15 over 6. Now with that, you can find the corresponding y. So we're going to substitute either equation 1 or 2. It doesn't really matter. Both is fine. So I'm going to just substitute equation 2. All right. So 2 bracket 15 over 6 minus 3y equals 14. I'm going to bring the 3y over to the right and 14 over to the left. So 3y will be equals to 15 over 3 minus 14. All right. And from here, I am just going to find my y. I'm going to use my calculator to work out the entire work, which is 15 divided by 3 minus 14. And we're going to divide it by 3. So it's like 5 minus 14 divided by 3, and that's negative 3. So with that, we can say that the solution of this simultaneous equation would be 15 over 6, or you can simplify that, maybe divide both top and bottom by 3, so it's 5 over 2, comma, negative 3. All right, so that's how you solve for example 1. Now, example 2 is a bit more tricky because you realize that right out, there's nothing that is common. So we're going to make a decision to either make x common or y common. So for me, I've decided that since 2 is a multiple of, or 8 is a multiple of 2, I want to convert negative 2y, which is the top equation, to 8y. All right, so what I'm going to do for example 2 is I'm going to multiply by 4. So what this happens is that I'm going to have at the bottom here, I'm going to write 8x minus 8y equals to 28. Okay. All right, so that is being written down here. So now you see that the 8y are both aligned and both are negative 8y. So instead of adding them, I'm going to subtract. This will help me to eliminate my negative 8y. All right, so let's try. So 3x minus 8x, which should give you a negative 5x. Negative 8y minus a 8y, which will give you a positive 8y, so that will be eliminated. And you have 4 minus 28, so that's minus 24. And from there, you can work out x should be 24 over 5. Now, similar to what we have done earlier on, we're going to replace it to either equation 1 or 2. All right, and that would help me to solve for y itself. All right, so in this case, I'm going to substitute to equation 1. So it'll be 2 bracket 24/5 minus 2y equals to 7. I'm going to bring my negative 2y to the right and 7 to the left. Yeah, so 2y will be equals to 48/5 minus 7. All right, and I'm going to work this entire thing on my calculator. So I'm going to do that calculation right now. So 48/5, I'm going to minus 7 first, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. So I got 1.3. All right, so the final answer we can state it will be 24/5, comma 1.3. All right, so I hope this is a good recap on how to perform the solving of simultaneous equation using elimination method, and I hope this tutorial has been useful. Cheers.